Hi guys, this is Thunder E from Borderwork, and today we're reviewing an app called CloudSix for Dropbox. Now, this app is brought to you by the same guy who developed the Six Tag app and the Six Snap. So basically, the one developer that has probably one of the best set of applications, and also the Six Sec app for Vine, best applications on Windows Phone. This is Rudy. I cannot pronounce his last name properly, so I wouldn't pronounce it. I'm not even going to try, but Rudy. He has probably one of the best applications out on Windows Phone, and he has an application for Dropbox. He did state through Windows Phone Central that he will also have an application for Google Drive and also an application for OneDrive, basically for cloud storage services. So this is the application right here at the bottom. This is CloudSix, and this is a Dropbox application. What's pretty cool about this application is that you have a bunch of features, and you can see here, I will rate this later. So you can see here in CloudSix, with the application here, I'm thrown into my Dropbox directly. I can see all my folders, I can see what I'm shared with and who I'm shared with. But this is actually a free application. It's ad supported, and the menu system is placed in pretty cool hidden queues. So first of all, you log in, you can see your folders, your files in Dropbox. You can go in there. I can go in, say, to Borderwork 2 here. I can see some of the files I have here. I can see the folders. I can actually view some of the videos if I choose. I can go to MWC. I can go back. I can actually go ahead and, let's say, look at a battle video. I can click on that, and it would download and eventually play off for me, of course, on here. But I'm going to stop that. Now, your menu system is very simple. If you slide to the left here, you can see you have the menu system. You can sync pictures. Basically, we'll sync the photos off your device currently. You have your settings, which allows you to do a couple of things. You can limit the cache size. You can set auto upload on to Windows Phone Camera Roll. That will auto upload that, or you can actually change the directory if you choose. You have a general for general display and active protection. So you can actually set up pins. So if you're using multiple accounts, for instance, which this supports multiple accounts, you can actually go ahead and create a specific pin for your account, which is pretty cool. That's pretty much it for the settings there. Like I said, you can have multiple accounts, where it says manage users. So that's the Borderwork account. I can add a separate account, and this is the login page to add in a separate account. And I can actually add my personal Dropbox if I choose to, which is also nice. So you can run multiple accounts, and you can remove ads, of course, which means, of course, you're just paying for the full version without ads. About section, some facts, blogging, email, other apps from Rudy. Like I said, he has other apps in the App Store. So I wanted to show you that as we move on here. And for some reason, it's taking its sweet time to actually do that. All right, so that's taking its time, but we'll head back. And you can see it also shows you the name, and it shows you how much space you've used and how much space I have. I don't know if you can see that glare. For some reason, it's showing as a glare, but I have 76. It shows I have 8, and it shows you in the bar. So I can go through that. And to head back to your main menu here, you just hit back on the main screen, and that'll take you anywhere. And now if you slide to the right, this is your search options to search for any file or folder. So for instance, if I go here, as I went back into Borderwork 2, MWC, I have a Lenovo file or folder, if you will. I can slide here and search for that folder, and it will actually bring that folder up for me. And there you have it. So I can actually go ahead and access that directly from there as I choose. So now the other thing also is that you have options, full sharing options you expect. Now at the bottom here, if you click on the 3 icon bars there, you can refresh, of course, your page. You can create a folder, create a text file, upload picture, or pin to start. So you can actually pin something to the start screen. Now, if I actually highlight on, say, Board Matt, I can highlight on him, and that allows me to rename that folder. I can share it. And basically, if I hit the share button, this will take me to post a link to share if I want to, or I can copy a link, and this allows me to create a specific link which I can share. I can share that specific link, and that basically just copies the link to a clipboard and allows me to do that. It also has functionality of opening up documents in whatever format. So I can open up a Word document here. I can do that. Download the document, opens it up, and it opens up within CloudSix itself. And then if I open up a PDF file, I already opened that one up. You can see the blue dots indicated something's been downloaded and opened. But if I click on that Android intro, let's do that. It allows me to select which of the apps I want to use. So I use Adobe Reader, and it allows me to look at that there. So that is CloudSix, a pretty cool app. I like the fact that it supports multiple accounts. So if you're a multiple account Dropbox user, that would be great. I'd love to see what he does with Google Drive as well as OneDrive. Hopefully he can make a general CloudSix app that actually works for all in one, and I can just have CloudSix running my Google Drive, my OneDrive, as well as also my Dropbox altogether. But it's a pretty cool app. It works very well. It's probably I'll call it my recommended Dropbox app for Windows Phone. So if you have any questions or any comments, let us know. Here's a QR code. If you want to actually download this, is probably the fastest way to do it. Just basically put up your Windows Phone, hit this button here, and hit the search icon, and you can basically scan the QR code in. But if you have any questions or any comments about CloudSix, let us know. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to all our pages on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. It's all Booredatwork. And also, do hit the subscribe button on the top right-hand corner or in the description below. This is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy entertainment.